Hi, my name is Dr. Brendan Cochran,
And my name is Andy Boulanger.
and we're here today basically to go over an intro video for a fascinating class that we're hosting.
What we have to understand, and for the last 3 years I've been studying the market, we're at the beginning of a health consciousness shift that's actually providing more opportunities for all of you unlike any other time. And the type of tools and techniques and the way you run your practice in that particular market will define the level of success that you will have.
And so with what Andy's going to be talking about is how to run your business, how to make it successful. What I'm going to be going over is how to put that into application. What is the treatment formula that you need to use with ozone as a tool to be successful in treating your patients? How many treatments? What interactions do I need to be worried about? How do you make PRP correctly? We're going to have a doctor come in, give a lecture about aesthetics. I'm going to talk about some differences in PRP and solutions. It's going to be a lot of hands-on information for the doctors with me.
And what's going to end up happening is that then you're going to hand your staff over to me. There are two parts to any successful venture. There is the health of business, which Dr. Cochran is going to go over, and there is the business of health, of which I'm going to then take your lead hand, who your office manager, who we call your queen bees and receptionist, and groom them in the 7 primary systems you need to support the practice, the 6 stages of flow to provide the positive client experience. You can't have one without the other, and what we're dedicated in providing you is a complete overall perspective, unlike anything that anybody else is doing out there. That's what makes this program especially unique.
So the goal is to put a full package together so you can go back to your office on Monday and put this into place and make money at it and have successful results with your patients. It's all about outcomes, and we want to give you a whole picture to provide outcomes in your clinical practice.
Well, come and join us for this incredible opportunity and weekend. Bring your team member along, and at the end, we are confident that we can tell you you're going to go back vastly improved in how to become more successful in all areas of your practice. It's all about health and success, and what we're going to provide you is a foundation for allow you to do that.
So we look forward to seeing you. It'll be a great class.